Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a navigation bar with a centered menu link using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this, and then Command S to save, go to the desktop, start a new folder, call this navigation menu, create, make sure we are in the folder navigation menu. Now change the file name to index.htm. Yes, use.htm. Go to the TextEdit file, increase the size of this, increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times, and now we are ready to start programming in HTML5 CSS3 to create a navigation bar with a centered menu link, less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, go to a new line, less than HTML, less than slash HTML. Within this, we need the head and the body. We can have title if required, but not for this tutorial. Go into the body and now start the programming in HTML5 to create the navigation bar menu itself, and then we can use the CSS to align right, left, centered, less than div class equals speech marks top nav greater than, ignore the spelling for the moment, go to a new line, program the centered link div class equals speech marks, take top nav from the top, copy, paste, top nav dash centered greater than, go to a new line, indent, space, highlight, ignore the spelling, less than ahref equals speech marks, hashtag home class equals speech marks active, speech marks greater than home less than slash a, go to a new line, indent, end with a div tag. Go to a new line again, indent, space, take the previous line of code, copy after we highlight, paste, and then change home to news, remove class equals active, and change home to news again. And now we can take the previous line of code again, highlight, copy, go to a new line, indent, space, paste, and change to contact. Likewise on the right hand side, go to a new line again, indent, insert another div class, take the top line, highlight, copy, Command V to paste, change centered to right, go to a new line again, indent, paste, go back to the previous lines of code, highlight, copy, paste, and then change news and contact to search and about. Likewise on the right hand side of the page, and then end with a div tag less than slash div, end with another div tag, one, two, and then three. So that itself is the navigation menu completed. Top navigation, centered link, left align link, right align link. Go to a new line again, less than div style equals speech marks, padding, left, colon, 16 pixels, greater than, go to a new line, insert a heading, less than h1, greater than, a navigation bar, less than slash h1, go to a new line, end with a div tag. We can have paragraphs if required to, but now the navigation bar menu is complete. What is required now is to add all the CSS. Go to the top after head, insert, style, less than style, greater than, go to a new line, less than slash style. Within style, bring in all the CSS, body, curly brace, new line, indent, margin, colon, 0, semicolon, next line, indent, font, family, colon, Arial, Helvetica, sans serif, semicolon, curly brace, go to a new line, dot top nav, curly brace, new line, position, overflow, background color. Go to the top, colon, highlight, copy, and paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, position, relative, semicolon, overflow, hidden, semicolon, background color, hashtag 333, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, top nav A, dot top nav A, curly brace, new line, float, color, text align, padding, text decoration, font size. Go to the top after float, colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of each word again. Go to the top again, float to the left, semicolon, color F2 3 times, semicolon, text align, center, semicolon, padding 14 pixels and 16 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, font size, 17 pixels, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot top nav, A, hover, curly brace, new line, background color and color. Take the lines of code from the previous lines of code, and now we can change background color to triple D, color to black, go to a new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, take the previous lines of code, highlight, copy, top nav A active, change triple D to 4, CA, F50, color to white, curly brace, yes, go to a new line, dot top dash centered, A curly brace, new line, float position top left transform. Go back to the top, colon, highlight, copy, and paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, float, none, semicolon, position, absolute, semicolon, top, 50%, semicolon, left, 50%, semicolon, transform, translate, parentheses, minus 50%, comma, minus 50% again, end with parentheses, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot, top, nav, dash right, curly brace, new line, indent, float to the right of the page, semicolon, new line, curly brace, Command S to save. So now the programming in HTML5 and CSS3 has been done to create a navigation bar with a centered menu link. So now we are ready to go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Desktop, navigation menu, click on this, right click, open with Safari on the index.html file, minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web browser, decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then see what is happening on both windows at a concurrent time. Go back to the index.html text edit file, rectify the errors, Command S to save, top nav. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. Close the div tag off. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. And now we have a navigation bar with a centered menu link created from HTML5 and CSS3. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.